Well, a good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a good Friday. But over here in East Central Mississippi, it's a little chilly. We're in the low 50s today, and it's been raining. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is I got to thinking, how can I maximize the usage of the Rockwool cubes that I use to plant my seedlings for the hydroponic systems? Give me a second. We finna get off in the shop and I'm finna show you. Dan, what are you talking about now? Well, I'm going to tell you. I really got to thinking on how I can maximize the use of the Rockwool cubes that I use for my seedlings in my hydroponic systems. And I thought it would be really cool to get 4 plugs out of one Rockwool cube. So here's my Rockwool cube. This is a standard 1.5 inch Rockwool cube. And I turned it into this. So I come across this guy right here on Amazon. And this is a 1 inch neck cup. Rockwool cube that we cut into 4s fits mighty nice in this guy right here. So there's been a lot of talk about Rockwool on YouTube. A few channels talk about it, and also a lot of discussion on some of the boards, hydroponic boards that I get on just to learn and do reading on. And that is, you don't really need a lot of Rockwool to get a seed to grow in it. If I could take this Rockwool cube, cut it in 4s, find a net cup that would actually fit it, how well would it grow for me? I guess that's what we're fixing to find out. All I did was actually just take this Rockwool cube and just cut it into 4 equal sections. This size Rockwool actually fits real good inside of there. So I said, okay, this will work. Here is some pak choi that I started on the 8th of this month, and I have this plant in a full-size Rockwool cube in a 2-inch net cup. So this is going to be object of discussion or object of comparison number 1. I have another small pak choi plant that I'm actually going to put in the smaller piece of Rockwool in the 1-inch net cup, and we're going to see how it grows and if there's any difference. Now, the first one that I showed you, I actually had a jump start on this one. I don't know what the deal was because they germinated at the same time. One just grew better than the other. So no big deal, but we still gonna rock on. So what I have here is a piece of Rockwool that I actually soaked in some half-strength nutrients. And all I'm gonna do is split this guy in half very carefully without going all the way through, making a split in it kind of like that. Here's our little pak choi start. And gently put him down in there and close him on up. It's gonna look like that. Gonna push him on down into this 1-inch net pot, and it's gonna look like that. And we're gonna set him over here with his cousin underneath the grow light. Now, is this the most orthodox way of doing it? No, probably not. I am just a novice hydroponic gardener. Actually just got into it, and I'm here to tell you hydroponics is addictive. You just try to find things to grow and new ways to set up systems to grow things. What I'm going to do is in the next couple of days I'm going to set up another system just for these guys, just to see how they grow. Pak choi in themselves are real heavy feeders, so I didn't want to mix those in with the lettuce. Pak choi is going to have a system of its own to get its grow on. It's going to be pretty cool to see how they grow in comparison. I bought 20 of these 1-inch net cups off of Amazon. I think I give $9 for 20 of them. That's not really a good deal, but I wanted the 1-inch net cups just to try this little experiment because, again, all I do is grow a lot of lettuce over here, and I'm going to be getting into more leafy greens as well. Well, there you have it. That's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Just a way that I'm trying to maximize the use of the Rockwool cubes over here. Cut that joke into 4s. I found some 1-inch net cups and they fit real nice into it. And I can get 4 plants going out of 1 Rockwool cube. And I think that's pretty cool. Now, is it practical and efficient? I don't know. Maybe if you get Rockwool cubes and you can get 1-inch net cups in bulk, yeah, it'd probably be real feasible, because you can get a lot of stuff growing with just a small amount of supplies. I don't know. But it's just a little experiment for me over here. I have 1 pak choi in a 2-inch net cup, and I have 1 in a 1-inch net cup. We're going to plug those into a system in the next day or so, and we're going to see how it grows. I'll update everybody, and we'll learn and see together. So again, I hope everybody's having a good Friday, and I hope everybody stays safe this weekend amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dog your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. Be you, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.